this a wiggle off. It's a shame to see it go, but a needs must. Good morning, happy people. Welcome back to the channel. Welcome back to a new episode. In today's episode, I need to get down to the unit. We're gonna finish off doing a lot of bits and bobs to get the car ready to go to paint. So I've just got a notification for a delivery that I was waiting for that was making a bit of a delay. So let's get my stuff, get down to the unit, get started, and see what we got in that delivery. Guys, I'm going to interrupt the video to remind you that the giveaway that I started on this project is still going on, and as soon as the car's finished, I'm going to show you guys all my receipts and we're going to do a reveal on who won. There's a few of you guys who are really close, and just a reminder, I will be sending out that multi-pack of Californian scents to the winner of the giveaway. So if you can guess how much you think I got this car for at the auctions, you can be in for a shout. But yeah, thank you for everyone who's taken part. Thank you for watching the video. Now, back to the video.
So all in, mate, you're looking at 4709 for both pieces, yeah?
No problem, mate. Right guys, I was on the phone to TPS. TPS is a official dealership for parts and service parts for Audi and VW. And funny thing is, I managed to get everything that I needed at least half the price of what I'm seeing them on eBay and other online forums. So I just thought I'll share this with you guys. Sometimes it's easier and cheaper to go to the main dealership and get your bits for your car. I found that out with Mercedes, I found that out with VW, and I found that out now with Audi. Sometimes it's easier, cheaper, and it's just less headache, less hassle. Just always check in with your main dealership, get a quote. Anyway, let's crack on with the day. We've got a busy day ahead. So just got my delivery of what I believe is my steering wheel, and I've opened it already, so it is definitely my steering wheel, and yet another airbag. So this is the standard type of airbag that you get on this car, and I've just gotten a standard kind of second-hand S-line steering wheel. It's a shame to see the flat bottom steering wheel go, but like I explained in the previous video, the airbag for the flat bottom, which was upgraded from the A3 to the S3 steering wheel, there you go. The airbag for that one was 300 quid, whereas I bought the steering wheel and the airbag for 30 quid. And because I want to do this car on a budget, I just want to get it back to a standard spec and sell it on. I'll prefer to go this way. So let's get into swapping out this and putting back on this one. So with everything plugged out, it's pretty straightforward. I've got a special key, got that, attached it up, stick it in the middle. There we go. Just give this a wiggle off. It's a shame to see it go, but a needs must. So this will be for sale, guys. If any of you guys are interested in upgrading your Audi A3, A4, A5 to a flat bottom steering wheel, add me on Instagram, shoot me a message. I'll be putting it up on eBay. I don't need it. Time to put on a new one. And there's a little kind of mark inside to make sure that I mark it up, so I'm not just putting it on blindly. There we go. And that's how it will look. So put everything back in. Little test drive, see how that feels. Not too bad actually. Parking sensors at the back, didn't even realise that. Now that I'm happy with my interior, I'm happy with the steering wheel, I want to target the fan. If I showed you, if you remember in the previous videos, fan wires need to be all connected and everything. The water's holding, everything's fine with the rads. I just need to sort out some more wiring on the front, and then this car will be ready to go to paint. Final steps, be back on the street in no time. So let's get into that. If you remember in the first video of this episode of this series, I showed you that the fan wire had snapped off. This is the connector for the fan. The fan is needed to keep the car cool. So the radiators, they get the hot water, it flushes it around the system, but the radiators need to be cooled down from behind. And that's the fans, and there they are. You can see one fan, and I've got two fans there. So at the moment, the fans are not working because during the accident, the connector for the fan got snapped off. Luckily, it's left me a little something on both sides that I can work with, and I can just solder that up colour to colour. But I can either solder it up straight like this, like that actually, or I can put an extension, but I think it's left me with enough that I can solder it on, put some heat shrink on there and get that back in. These are the two main plugs, so the red one is for the plus, and the grey one's, the brown one is for negative, and by the looks of it, it's literally just come out the socket, so I should be able to just plug that back into the socket and get it going. So let's see if we can get this to work, and let's see if I can get my fans to kick in. Another thing that I need to sort out as well, these are the wires for the temperature sensor for the fan, and this tells the fan when to cut in. And if you look down below here, you can see the other end is right there. So once again, I've got something to work with. So I'll get that off, try to get it all joined up, see what we can do. Right guys, so I spent the day doing all my electronics, all my electrical stuff has been sorted. I've got the majority of my deliveries, and I've booked it in with the paint in sharp for next week. So this will be the last time you'll be seeing my super cheap AUDI A3 in this kind of condition. Let me know down in the comments below. Let me know in the comments below what you think. Let me know if you find it. I've got the new steering wheel on there. I've got the flat bottom steering wheel ready to go. I'm going to do a tidy, and then next video we should be at AUDI A3 To ready for paint. So we're going to end the video there guys. Let me know what you think of this one, and if this is the kind of content that you like to see, make sure you smash that subscribe button, and if you enjoyed this video, give me a thumbs up, let me know what you think. And that bombshell, let's go man. Okay guys, so I was just thinking we're almost at the end of this build. I think it's going to be driving by next week, fingers crossed. But what can I do with it? I'm going to sell it, but is it worth modding it? Let me know in the comments below, what do you think I should do with the AUDI A3? It crossed my mind this morning to wrap the roof black, because it came with the tints, it's got the black alloys, it's quite nice, it's white. Should I wrap the roof? Would you like to see that on the channel? And I was thinking about my next build for the channel, the next channel build, and I was thinking it would be cool to go old school and get an old school VW Golf, like a Mark 5 Golf. Oh, I'm thinking to go German again. Quite like those Mercedes C-Class coupes. Let me know in the comments below what you'd like to see on the channel. I want to bring content that you guys enjoy. I like doing what I do, but I want to make sure that you guys are enjoying it as well. And if this is the kind of content that you like, make sure you smash that subscribe button guys. I'm at 164 subscribers, and I want to try to get to at least 500 by Christmas. So help me get to 500 subscribers by Christmas. I know that I can do it. I know that I can do it. So yeah, let me know what you think I should do for the next build guys.